Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Today is the day and I'm so freaking excited. I'm going to be announcing in this video the winner of my Bloodlust palette giveaway as well as the crown mirror. Guys, I had to take it there. I had to take it to the upper echelon, that next level. I have created this box here. This is going to be coming to one of you very, very lucky viewers who have entered the giveaway. So I couldn't just keep it to the Bloodlust palette with the mirror. I needed to take it to that next level, and I've done just exactly that. So guys, if you want to hear who won my Bloodlust giveaway as well as learn what's in this amazing box, then please keep watching. Okay guys, let's jump right in. First, let's get the stuff we know out of the way. So we have this gorgeous baby, the crown mirror, as well as the Bloodlust palette. Guys, whoever's gonna get this, I think I've said it enough. I don't think I need to reiterate myself, but whoever wins this, you are going to enjoy the crap out of this palette. It's an amazing palette, in my opinion, in terms of packaging. The best palette Jeffree's done. Love the color story inside. It's absolutely beautiful. I've done a ton of tutorials using the palette, and every single time I dip in with this palette, guys, I am never disappointed. I'm completely in love with it. It's so, so beautiful. All right, guys, that's enough yammering. Let's open the box. Okay. So first, I really wanted to keep it on theme with the purple trend, so I had to include the soft sparkle lip gloss. So the lucky winner is going to get to test out this formula. Guys, I love his lip glosses. This is a super, super beautiful gloss. The winner, you are not going to be disappointed. I have a little swatch here. This is my own, by the way. This is so, so pretty. I've used it a ton of times. I love it every single time I use it. It smells, if you guys know, like the MAC lip gloss or lipsticks in general from MAC, and it also feels like them. It's a little bit more sticky than I prefer from a gloss, but again, really, really love it. Lasts a great amount of time on the lips, and let's move on to the next item. Okay, so I had to throw this in here. This is a liquid frost. So this is in the shade Goddess. Now, I know it's not my favorite formula in terms of for on my face, but guys, this on your body, especially in this shade, is going to give you a gorgeous, gorgeous glow. Summer, even though it doesn't feel like it, especially with all the stuff that's going on, is just around the corner. So this is going to be great to throw onto your collarbones, anything. It's just so, so, so pretty. And now let's move on to the last item I'm going to be surprising the winner with. Guys, you're not ready. You're not ready. Bam! The winner is not only going to be winning the Bloodlust palette, but the Blue Blood palette as well. Congratulations to the winner. You totally, totally deserve it. I'm so, so excited for you. I could not imagine if I won a giveaway for the Bloodlust palette and they threw in the Blue Blood palette as well. Like I would be dead. I would be dead. That is so exciting. Congratulations to the winner. I am so happy for you. Guys, I hope you like this style of video. I hope you like this style of giveaway. Honestly, every time Jeffree has a launch, I'm planning to do a giveaway that goes along with it. So please, please don't be discouraged if you didn't win this time. There is more chances for you. Just like I mentioned before, every time he does a mystery box, I'm planning on doing a mystery box of my own. And anytime he does a launch of a palette or anything really great, I'm definitely going to be grabbing two, one for me and one for one lucky winner out there. So yeah, guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I am so, so, so excited for the winner. Congratulations again. And yeah, guys, please don't forget to give this video a like if you like this style of video. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. What did you think of me including Blue Blood in this box? I want to know. Did I blow your guys' socks off? Let me know, please. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe and allows me to continue doing these awesome giveaways for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.